guys, we're Ashley, and today we are playing with my grandpa's dog. Whoa, you guys almost fell there. I want to show you guys the cool tricks she can do. Okay, let me get a tree. Oh, dang it. So, Sophie, hold on, wait until I get to the camera. So I got a tree. Whoa! Watch. Did you see her? She just jumped. And then she starts eating it. Of course she starts eating it. And look how good she listens. Sophie, go! Sophie, go! Go! Sophie, go! Go! Oh, here's Zozo! Zozo! Okay, so, Sophie, sit, sit, sit! That's laying, not sit. Zozo, sit! She's not taught tricks. Sophie, sit! That's called laying down. Go! Sophie, go! Sophie, go! She's better on this. Here. Whoa! Go! Sophie, go! Go! And watch this. Sophie, come here. Isn't she good? Go get your toy. I don't know if she knows how to do that. Probably not. Gonna go get one of her toys. Hold on. I'll be right back. Sophie, no. So I got her toy. See? Right here. So, Sophie. Oh, whatever. Alright, guys. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Wait. Subscribe to Nathan Rocks the House. Bye.